hitter or a pitcher.
Yeah, hitting I could see just as much.
Oh, very difficult when you have a layoff like that. Hao-Yu Lee's been one of those hitters that has certainly stoked up that batting average for the Hens.
He's going to add to it. First pitch swinging, and he drives it to left field for a base hit. His 5th hit of the series. He went right after a 95-mile-per-hour fastball and turned it to left.
As I was saying, early in the season, he was struggling at the plate, swinging at pretty much everything, and he's really gotten it going, and that's a good reason why that team batting average has gone up.
Yeah, 106 off the bat for Hao-Yu Lee. Turned that 96-mile-an-hour heat. As Hao-Yu Lee at the plate takes a strike. Well, here you go. Longest distance home run this year was Akil Baddoo's 461 at Worcester. And that one a moment ago there from, well, going to pop up here off the bat of Hao-Yu Lee. Shallow right field, and calling for it the second baseman, or Baez. He'll make the grab. That'll bring up Jace Jung. Finishing that. Hey, just a long strike. The 0-1 lined up the middle on a hop right to Workman. He'll go to second one. Relay in time. A 6-4-3 double play. Wipe those bases clean. And it'll bring up Jacob Hurtubise with 2 down and the bases empty.
It's a big double play right there. Keep that inning from getting any further in trouble. That was big.
Now, Nick Margevicius could use an inning where he's not in trouble. He's had a runner at second base in all 3 innings. If he gets the hit, and the first pitch to him is a swing and a miss. Starts him off with a slider. The 0-1 coming up. That'll be off the plate. 1 strike. And one hopper right to the shortstop. This could be 2. Underhand flip to second for 1. Relay is in time. That's a 6-4-3 double play off the bat of Hao-Yu Lee. Wenzel to Urbaez off to Rios. And that'll wipe the bases clean for Jace Jung.
There was a ball that was scored, rotate towards it, and have great success.
Manning delivers here. He's going to get a 3 ground ball out inning as this one's to second, and Hao-Yu Lee. 1 pitch coming up. Poland delivers. Ground ball on the left side. Right to Workman. He'll throw to Lee at second. Hines took an early slide. He comes. Action down in the Mud Hens bullpen. And the pitch will be on the outside corner.
Arm. Doesn't have that long arm throw, that long arm action. Yes, he is.
The 0-2 is a bit high. The fastball. Maxwell ready. He'll deliver again. Swing and a foul back. Slider there. Slide. Pitch is lifted in the air and foul. Figure it out. Heavy at the major league level. Swing and a miss there. 101 miles an hour gets by Hao-Yu Lee.
Well, Matt, I'll say it again. I'm sure the pitching guys that have been on the broadcast talk about it a lot of times, but it's, if they can locate with a fastball like that and pitch to all quadrants,